Abdullah, wake up! It's time for school! Quick, or you'll be late! Put on your white shirt. No, not the green shirt, the white shirt. Now put on the tan pants. Yes, the tan pants, not the black pants. Socks, you choose. Blue or orange? Orange? Good choice. Next, put on your shoes. Put on your red sweater. It's a little cold outside. Don't forget your backpack. Have a good day. See you later. Bye-bye.